In this video, I will show you the new letters in portal system, where you can provide the letters that you print to your clients for a signature or acknowledgement. Let's say that we have this list of disputes here in the dispute center. Okay, so we can click this button as opposed to clicking this one, for example. We can click this one, post letters to portals. You see, disputes are now posted to your portal. So that would be the only thing that you need to do essentially. But since we want to verify and check it, so we're gonna click here. Okay, so we have this portal. In this case, normally you wouldn't have the agreement here because the agreement should have been signed already once you do the letters. But in this case, well, this is a test and we have the agreements here and everything, but normally you won't. But the letters are here, so essentially if you don't have the agreement, the letters are going to be here anyway. So you see the letters are the same that you would have if you print them, by the way, with a very nice font. And so this would be one. So now the client, as per your instructions, will have the option or either sign the letter, right, or acknowledge the letter without signing. This is to comply with the new law. And so, well, I'm gonna sign them only because they kind of look nicer, but it will be exactly the same in terms of acceptance. Sorry, it will be the same if we click. So this one I'm gonna leave it blank. Usually, either the three will be acknowledged or either the three will be signed, but I'm gonna do this just for showing, and I'm going to submit the letters. Okay. So let us submit it successfully. Now let's say that we go back here, so we enter the program or whatever is the case, right? We may enter the program later at a later time or something, and we can see here that we have this in green. By the way, there is a provision here at the top that allows you to click and select or omit. So imagine that you have hundreds of clients. In this case, it's easy to see that it's only this one. But if you have hundreds of clients, you wouldn't know which one have been signed, and it would be difficult. But if you click here, it would be possible to either omit, in some cases, or most importantly, select the ones that have been received. Okay, so now we just click on it. I mean, let's say that we are ready to print, so we're going to click on it, and then we have here, you know, show letters as usual. Show letters, so we can show the letters. And in this case, you can print all the letters that the client signed or acknowledge with one click, right at the top right, you know, to print or to save into your hard drive, whatever. So in this case it's signed. In this case is signed. And the last one, if we remember, was acknowledged. So it was accepted by the system, was accepted, and but this one would be for you to print to sign. Okay, so that's that pretty much. It's very easy to use, and once you print them, it's not green anymore. Still, the last letters will be possible to reprint. Okay, it will be possible to reprint by clicking on it, but they are not new. So these things in gray assume that you had printed the letters already. Okay, so that's it. And so if the client, the next round or something, when you provide new letters, and it was going to be green again once the client posts those letters. And also it's important to notice here on this one that the letters disappears. The client cannot send you the letters by mistake or anything, because the letter had disappeared. You see, there is no here anymore. So very easy to use, and I hope that you enjoy this new feature. Thank you.